to the vlog on from the most epic channel on YouTube. Today I'll be playing with slime. This is it. I made this one. My dad made this one. But I won't be using that one today. I'll be using this one. So it's just blue slime. As you can look closely, if you look closely, there's little glitters in there. You can barely see because there's not very much. So I'm going to try to see what happens when you add Play-Doh. Play-Doh's hashtag not sponsored. I want to see what happens if you add Play-Doh in slime. So I'm going to see. I'm just going to take a little bit. And this much of each. So there these things are, if you're honest. Look at them. That's the Play-Doh and that's the slime. Okay guys, so here I mix it together. Okay, ready? I'll be done in 3, 2, 1. Okay, this is it. It's really good. Move that. So this is it. It's really good. It's like this sparkly. It looks like the Play-Doh. Looks like the Play-Doh. Yeah, guys. It looks like the Play-Doh. Comment down below what color you thought it was going to be. I mean, you thought it was going to look like. So this is what it looks like. This. It's sparkly and stuff, but you can't really see the sparkles. So it, like, don't stretch good. But when you roll it and stuff, it feels like slime. And when you squish it, it feels like slime, but when you stretch it, it just feels like Play-Doh. So yeah, that's that. So now I'm just gonna put this to the side, and now I'm gonna put this stuff up. So I'll push that to the side, and then I'll push that to the side. Perfect. Then I'm gonna do the one my dad made that I added sand to. So this is it. I really love this slime. I'm in love with it. Okay, so this is it. This beautiful rainbowy stuff. Like a rainbow color. This is it. It looks gray, but it's not. I promise it's red. It's really pretty and rainbowy. I promise it's not gray. It's really pretty and rainbowy. I'm going to try to get this to focus. Let me get a little bit and see if it'll focus. Okay. Let me focus it. Let me try to get this. Okay, that's it. It's rainbowy. I put sand in it. It used to be really good slime, like just like the other slime, but yeah. Now it has rainbow in it. It has rainbow sand in it. So now I'm going to put Play-Doh. I'm going to see what it makes when you put rainbow sand slime and Play-Doh. This same Play-Doh. So this is the Play-Doh. And this is the slime. So comment down below what color do you think it'll make. Pause the video. Comment down below what color you think it will make. And then finish the video later. But make sure you do it. Okay, this is how much of each I'm doing. That's how much of each I'm doing. So now I'm just going to mix. Okay, guys, I'm mixing. 3, 2, 1. Okay, this is it. It's not really good. It's this color. It's this color. I don't like it at all because like it's the same as the other one. It breaks. But when you roll it, it feels like slime. When you squish it, it feels like slime. It's the same. Except it has a bunch more sand in it. So yeah, comment down below which one. Okay guys, comment down below which one you like better. This one was with the normal sand that it had. I mean, the normal slime with the Play-Doh. And this is the one with the sand in the Play-Doh. Okay, so I'll show you how these stretch. This is the sand in Play-Doh. It's not very good quality. I don't like it at all. Look, this one stretches better, and I like it better. So much more softer. This one's like hard, and this one's like soft. So comment down below which one you like better. I like this one better. The normal slime with Play-Doh, so some sweet.